May 5th, 2014. Got the fascia all put on. Got the undermount lights on. Got all the track wired up. Got the backdrop painted in. Upper level. Got the upper and lower level over here. There's the helix. All the fascia, all the lights are in here. All the backdrops painted all through there. Still got to paint the fascia. It's all in. Got the scenery on that piece. And on this one here, now we've got a little more work to do on the edges of it. That corner there is pretty well done. We started the cleanup. Got most of it vacuumed up, and then we'll have to go through and clean the track, and we'll be ready to stop our operating. Got part of this hillside all put in, all painted up. Still got to get that bridge put in. Mount Rushmore. Looks like somebody's doing a little scenic driving up there. Probably waiting for a train to come by. The row houses in. Bridge is going to go right in through there. Just kind of giving you a look-see at what all has been done the last few months. Coming back around here by the roundhouse. All that scenery's got to be put in yet. Scenery all put in, all running through here. So as always, it's coming along a little bit. We've got the whole upper level built in really a short period of time. I think we started in September last year. So we've gotten a tremendous amount done. Yeah, I just checked my records. September last year is when we started. Whole upper level. You can go back and watch all the parts of building the upper level, but we have gotten a tremendous amount done. Probably the next time we come over, not this Thursday, but the next, we will should be operating again. Got a new junk dealer here. Scrapyard, I guess, would be better. Alright, so just a little update. We'll talk to you next time.